Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal Elevation School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is exercise 1.3, creative question nong 1. Lecture nong 6, HW nong 5. Student, at first look the creative questions. Two drums contain 225 liters and 375 liters of milk respectively. Suppose you see these are the two drums. The first drum contains 225 liters of milk and the second drums 375 liters of milk. Now a number which is knowledge based question takes us another drum which will contain 2 times of milk than that of the first drum. Okay, this is the knowledge based question. Suppose look, take such type of container so that 2 times of milk will be hold than the first drum. B number, a container of maximum of how many liters will be required to fill up the 3 drums? Student, remember this math is related to our practical life. Okay, you read the question. A container of maximum of how many liters will be the required to fill up the 3 drums? Student, in the stem we have got the 2 drums, and from the question of A we have to find out the another drums. Then you have to find out such type of container so that the maximum liters will be required to fill up the 3 drums. Suppose these are the another drums. These are the another drums. Now we have to find out such type of maximum liters of container so that if we fill up the 3 drums, then no milk will be remaining. Okay, and this is the question of B. Now see question of C. How many containers of milk does each drum contain? How many containers of milk does each drum contain? That means how many containers of milk will be needed for first drum, second drum and the third drum. Okay. Student, if you select 1 liter of container, suppose you select 1 liter of container, then you can easily fill up these 3 drums. But our question is, you have to select a maximum liters of milk. That means maximum liter of container, so that you can fill up the 3 drums. Okay, student, I hope you understood the question. Now let us solve. At first, I will solve question number A. Look, given that first drum contains 225 liters of water, liters of milk. First drum contains 225 liters of milk. As per questions, you can write, therefore, another drum, that means the third drum. Therefore, another drum contains 2 times of first drum. This is equal 225 into 2. This is equal to what? 450 liters of milk. That means another drum or the third drums contain 450 liters of milk, and this is the solution of question number A. Now I will solve B number question. Student, now we have to such type of container so that to fill up the 3 drums, and you have to select a maximum weight of a container which will contain more liter of milk. Okay. Now, right, we have first drum contains 225 liters of milk. Second drum contains 375 liters of milk, and third drum contains 450 liters of milk. You see, student, in the question, a container of maximum. Student, in the class I will taught you that if there is written in the question maximum, highest, largest, then this will be what? This will be safe. Okay. So now we use here the application of safe. Okay. So write the ACF of 225, 375 and 450 will be the required liter of container. The ACF of 225, 375 and 450 will be the required liter of container. Okay, now let us find the ACF of 225, 375 and 450. By 375, we use a division method or Euclid's method to solve ACF. Now it goes 1 times. Now subtract. Now it goes another 1 times. Now subtract 5, 7. Now again divide. Now 2 times of 75, this is equal. Now again we have to determine the ACF of 75 and 450. 75, 450. equals 6 times therefore the HCF of 225, 375 and 450 is 75. Now according to the question we have to write the answer. Therefore maximum (75) liters of container will be required to fill up the 3 drums. Okay student, and this is the solution for B number. Now I will solve question number C. Okay, again see the question. C number. How many containers of milk does each drum contain? How many containers? Student, how many containers of milk does each drum contain? You have to find out the how many number of containers. Okay, already look, don't mix the questions. Suppose if you think, sir, first drum contains 225 liters of milk, second drum contains 375 liters of milk. No, your question is how many containers of milk does each drum contain. Okay, that means you have to select another container, and the measurement of that container is 75. Okay, 75, which will shown I am in B number solution. Okay, that means you have to select 75 liters of container, and this is what 450. If you want to fill up these 3 drums, you need the maximum container will be 75 liters. Okay, then you can easily fill up these 3 drums. Student, remember this is this is the application of math. Okay, so you have to try to understand the math. Okay, now I will solve question on C. We have to find out one by one. The first drum contains what, second drum contains how many containers, third drum contains how many containers. We have to find out now. Now write, first drum contains, say number, first drum contains 225 by 75. Okay, if you divide 225 by 75, then we get 3. That means 3 containers of milk. First drum contains 225 by 75, then you get 3 containers of milk. Okay, then similarly second drum contains 375 by 75, this equals, divide, then you get 5 container of milk. Similarly, third drum contains 450 by 75, this equal 6 container of milk. Okay student, and this is our recorded result. You write the answer: 3 containers of milk, 5 container of milk, and 6 container of milk. This is the answer of question C. Look student, now I will discuss with you example 5. Example 5. Look, some numbers are 28, 36, 54, 72 and 144. Student, look, the numbers are 28, 36, 54, 72 and 144. This is the stamp. Now a number, this is the knowledge based question. Write prime factors of 28. Write prime factors of 28. Student, carefully look the question. Write prime factor of 28. That means you have to write only the prime factor. Suppose 2, 3, 7. These are the prime factor. B number. Determine the LCM of the numbers using the prime factorization. Prime factor. Okay. C number. Show that the obtained LCM by Euclid's process is equal to the obtained LCM by prime factors method. Student, it is obviously equal in Euclid method and in prime factor method. Obviously equal. Okay. So in B number, how can you solve? You have to select using the prime factors to determine LCM. And for C number, you have to find out the LCM by Euclid's method. That means the division method. Okay. Then you can find that the solution of B number, that means the LCM of B number, and the solution of C number, that means LCM of C number, R will be equal. Then you got the required result. Okay student. Student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing this type of math, and remember, when you practice math, you think about our not only for our personal life, this is every sphere of life. Okay, then I think math is very interesting for you. Okay student, no more today. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.